All right, for this we're going to talk about your classroom organization. You're organizing your iTunes U course to fit what needs you have for your instruction purposes. So let's think about the way your typical class is organized. You could set up one iTunes U course for an entire class. So as an example here, we have science. And so we could say this is 6th grade science. And underneath 6th grade science, we would create headings for outlines of units. So over here in our left-hand side, we have the ability to kind of organize our course, and in one of the tools that they give us is this outline feature. And the outline feature is what's going to actually set up the categories that we're going to post into later. So the outline is very, very important. In fact, it gives you a little exclamation point because you can't continue without it. So if I was in a situation like that, I might type in various units of study. So I would maybe say astronomy. And then my next one might be cells, right? You're seeing they're very high-level outline topics that I would kind of cover. So that would be one way of organizing our classroom, would be into units. Now, the other thing that's kind of commonly done with iTunes University is the actual course itself is created for the unit. So in the case of this class that I've done, I have basically called it science, but the class is actually for astronomy. So in this case, my astronomy, I might cover various topics within that subheading. So my first topic might be the moon. My next topic might be the solar system. Then it might be the Milky Way. Okay, so you can see here how I've organized. These are a little closer and a little more macro level to the actual course content than the previous way was. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, by the way. It's just that you got to kind of think about what you're going to organize, how you're going to organize your thoughts when you're doing this. So then there's another way that we could do this, and that would be this course could be organized as the moon, and then we would be going even further down it. So the moon, we might, talk about specific things about the moon, like the surface or the, so you can see that the more macro level you want to get your course, it's going to change your outline, which is going to also change your topics. So when you're planning out your course, you may want to decide whether you want to do an overall entire course, whether you want to do a unit of study, or if you'd like to do a specific lesson, because those are going to kind of determine what your outline is going to look like and how we kind of continue from there. In the next video, we're going to talk about adding posts to content, and we're going to actually build an outline and then put some posts in there that we can use for our students.